Hi everyone, my name is Kangs, and today I'm in Stars of Bethany, and we are going to learn more about the institution. It's a educational institution. So I'll hand over to one of the directors of the school to tell us more about the school. Welcome.
Hello, good morning. This is a fine morning that we are hosting this in Stars of Bethany. I am one of the director, and we have another director who is my wife. We have been working together. It's not a simple journey, though we have seen the mighty hand of God.
Thank you so much. For how long have you been running this school, or for how long had the school been running?
We have learned the school more than 10 years now. We started with playgroup, and it was just a single class. But due to mighty hand of God, we have worked, and has really helped us. And now we are working up to grade 8. Previously was classes, but currently we are working in grades.
Thank you so much. Kindly tell us. Previously, we understand it was 844 program or curriculum. So, how many grade 8s or class 8s have you done?
We have done more than 8 class 8s since we started from lower classes. Then our first pupil who started in playgroup, they came up to they proceeded up to grade to class 8, and they sat for their KCPE. And actually, we saw the mighty hand of God because they really performed well.
That's great. Could you kindly give us a brief performance? What is the what do we call it in education? Kindly let us know. There's a way they classify schools according to the score. What were the scores for your schools?
Uh, we are very happy about this because it was our first class 8 that really performed well. Because our highest scorer had 399, 396, and the lowest had 270 scores. And according to the mean grade of the whole school, we had scored 377.
Wow, that's amazing. Everyone, you can hear that's quite a performing school. And if someone want to bring their children to Stars of Bethany and they are not within, I understand we are within Karogoro and Gatongora area. Do you have other branches, apart from this one?
We are very lucky because we started with main campus, which is in uh, Karuguru area. This is in Ruiru. And also, due to God's mercies, we have been blessed with another branch that is in Juja, Mudara area. Also, we have another branch that is branch C or campus C in Ruiru. That is another area, a distance from where the main campus is. They have been performing well. Also, we offer transport, and we have some other extra curriculum classes.
That's great. That's great. So, my viewer, as you can hear, the school have three more branches. They say they have one in is it
Juja,
Juja?
yes.
There is
Another
Ruiru,
one,
the where we are right now. It's called
main
Katongora
campus.
or Karogoro. The other one is in.
We have now the one that we are currently in is our main campus. We have campus C, which is situated just some few meters from where we are.
Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Now we are going to move on next and talk to the next director and hear what she have to say. Cool. Thank you so much, Mr. Ada, for your time.
Thank you, Mr. Kang. I'm very happy for this session.
Thank you. Hello. Now, as I said, we have our next director. Her name is Naomi. So, Naomi, kindly explain to us or let us understand about school, the teachers, and the students. Which kind of teachers do you have?
First of all, let me introduce myself. I'm Naomi, Madam Naomi from Stars of Bethany. Let me say about the teachers. The teacher that you are having here, they are so much qualified and they have their OTS number. And also to our children, they are so much disciplined in our school.
Thank you so much. About your transport, do you pick up the children and drop out the children back to their homes? I understand some of the students they stay near, so they can walk back and forth from the school. Uh, like how many school buses do you have?
So far we have three. So far we have three means of transport, but some of them they walk, and others they use the means of transport. Like
Okay, thank you so much. And Madam Naomi, when I look next to you, I can see some trophies. Kindly let us know or give a short brief history of the trophies, how you got them.
the first trophy, was awarded for great performance in our academic,
Mhm.
and the second one is for activity that we perform during the music festival,
Wow. Uh-huh.
and the last one is all about for our sport. We were awarded for a sport day.
Wow. Thank you so much. We really appreciate for your time. And is there anything else that you can add about the school?
Yes, I can add something. We also have different kind of curriculum activities here. One, we have a swimming activity. We have a swimming lesson here, and also we have a music lesson here. Friday, we can urge you, join us for much you can learn more about in our school.
Thank you so much, my viewer. As you can hear, apart from the normal education that we know that is books and whatever, they have more extra curriculum activity like swimming, music, dancing. Yeah. So as I was walking around, you can tell it's a good school. They have transport for their children. The compound is very clean and it have paving blocks. The teachers are qualified. All of them have been registered with the Ministry of Education. So if your student or your pupil is in this school, is in good hands. Any last word before we wind up?
If you can join us, we can be so much grateful. You can be able to see more and more things that we are working here. You are much welcome.
Thank you so much. Mr. Ada will give us a final word, maybe to the parents who are already in the school or who are planning to join the school. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Okay, Mr. Ada, we are back to you. Do you have any other like a final word to the parents who have brought their students or their people, their children, and trusted them with you in this school, and those who are planning to bring in their children?
Thank you once again for the second session. I would want to appreciate my wife, who is a kid dreamer, because this is a dream, actually. The Stars of Bethany is a dream. She had a dream, and that's why we are working to make it realized. Now, she has been giving me a soft way of working because she has not hardened things. We have been working together as my wife and as my co-director, and it has been good so far. So far, that's why we have been able to acquire whatever we have been acquired. And we want also to appreciate our parents, because if it could not be them, we could not be where we are. It's that they have given us their kids to be our runners. Because when you give us your kid, it's a kid, but to ours, it's a runner. So we appreciate this. Also, the runners. If the runner could have been brought to this institution and maybe he or she says that he is not comfortable with the institution, they could have been transferred to another school. So we want to appreciate everyone, because this is a hard work to make it perfect. It has been so perfect for all the institutions working together. We have qualified teachers who have been trained. We don't just employ anyone. We do employ teachers from college, and also who have already acquired a registration from the Ministry of Education. This has been very fine, because though it's hard to find qualified teachers. But we have been doing a very hard and tough interviews. But we have been getting the right teachers to equip and to make the runners what we would want, they could need in their life. Our institution is not just here to make runners, but also to equip them and to make them firm to make a better future. Thank you, Mr. Kang.
Thank you so much. Goodbye, guys, and see you on the next video. And Mr. Ada and Madam Naomi, thank you so much for hosting us. We really appreciate. Thank you, and we wish you a successful institution. Thank you, and God bless you.
Thank you too.
Goodbye.